Is the hollow muscular pumping organ present in the mid-asternum cavity in between the two lungs. It is surrounded by pericardial membrane. In between pericardial membrane, pericardial fluid is there which protect the heart. Human heart is the most important organ which supplies pure blood to the body and collect impure or deoxygenated blood from the each and every part of the body. And it supplies the impure blood to the lungs for purification or oxygenation. And then collect pure blood or oxygenated blood from lungs and then from the heart to the body. Most important organ, that is the human heart, consists internal structure shows 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are called as auricle. Lower 2 chambers are called as ventricles. Actually, human heart is the myogenic, present in between two lungs in the mid-asternum cavity, and internally it shows 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are called as auricle, lower 2 chambers are called as ventricles. In the figure you can clearly see that 2 chambers, upper 2 chambers, that is the auricles, are divided into 2 perfectly separate chambers by interauricular septum. Interauricular septum in the embryonic stage shows small opening, that is the fossa. Foramen means small opening, but after birth that opening is completely closed and that is called as fossa ovalis. 2 chambers here, in the right auricle impure blood, in the left auricle pure blood. Mixing of that pure and impure blood does not take place due to interauricular septum. Septum ubibindu. These 2 chambers are perfectly separated by interauricular septum and lower 2 chambers. Actually, auricles are receiving chambers, ventricles are propelling or distributing chamber. What is meant by receiving chamber? Auricles receives blood from the body. Right auricle receives impure blood from superior part of the body through superior vena cava, while inferior part of the body through inferior vena cava. Impure blood is collected from the upper and lower part of the body through SVC and IVC. While left auricle receives which type of blood? Oxygenated or pure blood from the lungs through how many pulmonary veins are there? 4. 2 from right lung and 2 from left lung. That means left auricle is a receiving chamber and which receives which type of blood? Oxygenated blood. Right auricle receives deoxygenated blood. Left auricle receives oxygenated or pure blood. Ventricles are distributing chamber. Opposite to that, auricles are receiving chamber because they receive all the blood from the body. Impure blood and pure blood from the body. While ventricles are propelling chamber. Why these ventricles are called as propelling chamber or distributing chamber? Because ventricles when contract, the impure blood from right ventricle enters into a pulmonary artery which supplies impure blood to the lungs for purification, while pure blood from the left ventricle enters into the aorta and that aorta supplies pure blood to whole body. That means blood from auricles when enters into the ventricles, at the time of contraction of ventricle, the impure blood enters into pulmonary artery, pure blood enters into the aorta. That means this blood is distributed. Impure blood is distributed to the lungs for purification, pure blood is distributed to the body through aorta. Therefore, ventricles are called as distributing chamber. Why ventricles are called as distributing chamber? Because ventricle distribute the blood, impure blood and pure blood to the body. Therefore, ventricles are called as distributing chamber. The thickness of ventricle is bigger or greater than auricle. Auricles are thin-walled while ventricles are thick-walled. The ventricle of left ventricle, the wall of left ventricle is thicker than the wall of right ventricle. Fine? What is the reason behind it? The wall of left ventricle is thicker because from the pure blood from the left ventricle is propelled or distributed through aorta throughout body up to the toes, so that to create maximum pressure on the blood, the wall of left ventricle is thicker. When pressure is great, at that time only the blood is reached to each and every part of the body. Therefore, the wall of left happen position or location near. Therefore, there is no maximum pressure is required. But here, the blood should be reaches to each and every part of the body to create. So as to create maximum pressure on the blood, the wall of left ventricle is thicker. Okay. Two chambers, upper two chambers auricle, lower two chamber ventricle. Then next part, that is the valves. There are 5 valves in the internal structure of human heart. The first valve, that is tricuspid valve. What is meant by cusp? Cusp means half moon shaped structure. These valves open and close. The sound of the heart, that is the dub and dub sound, is created due to opening and closing of the valves. Human heart consists tricuspid valve at the opening of right auricle and right ventricle. Second valve, that is bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve is also called as mitral valve, present at the opening of left auricle and left ventricle. Okay. Third valve, that is the semilunar valve. Why semilunar valve? The structure of these valves is like a half moon shaped. Therefore, semilunar valves present at the opening of pulmonary artery and aorta. Next type of valves, that is the Eustachian valve, present at the base of IVC. Inferior vena cava collect large amount of blood, pure blood from the whole body. Therefore, to regulate the pressure on that blood, there is a valve that is called as Eustachian valve, present at the base of or opening of IVC. IVC means inferior vena cava. Why called as inferior? Because it collects impure blood from inferior part of the body. Then next, at the opening of coronary sinus, there is the presence of another valve that is called as Thebasian valve, which is present at the opening of coronary sinus. All the blood, impure blood from wall of the heart is collected into the coronary sinus and opens into right auricle. That means impure blood from the body and impure blood from the heart wall is finally enters into which auricle? Right auricle. Control of the, what is the function of valves? 5 types of valves. It maintains the blood flow in one direction. That means it keeps the blood flow unidirectional. It prevents back flow. What is meant by that? Here, tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve closes. When these valves are open, blood from right auricle enters into right ventricle, blood from left auricle enters into left ventricle. But when these valves are closed, at that time what happens? Enter the blood into right ventricle, enters into pulmonary artery only. At that time, semilunar valves of pulmonary artery are open. When these valves, tricuspid valve get closed up, only opening to enter the blood is pulmonary artery here. When this ventricle get contracted, and pure blood from the left ventricle enters into which part? Aorta. When these two valves are closed, tricuspid and bicuspid, when these two valves closed up, when auricles contract, at that time blood from right auricle enters into right ventricle, left auricle into left ventricle, and these valves get closed. So the only opening to enter the pure blood is aorta, and enter the impure blood is pulmonary artery. Is it clear to you? This is the working mechanism of the human heart. Actually, what is the function of valves? All these valves, blood flow, maintain the unidirection. If there is a no valve, then what happens? Blood is remains here only in the heart. There is a no unidirectional flow of or circulation of the blood. When these valves are closed up, blood enters into pulmonary artery and aorta. When these valves are open, these semilunar valves get closed and blood from aorta enters into the blood from auricle enters into the ventricle. Right into right ventricle. Left auricle into left ventricle. This is the working mechanism actually. Here, human heart shows 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are auricles, lower 2 chambers are ventricles. Auricles are thin-walled blood receiving chambers, and in between 2 auricles, interauricular septum is present. Right auricle receives impure blood or deoxygenated blood through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, while left auricle receives which type of blood? Pure blood or oxygenated blood from the lungs through the 4 pulmonary veins. Function of here, next, ventricles. Ventricles are propelling or distributing chamber because, and these are having thick wall than the auricles. In between 2 ventricles, interventricular septum is there, and right opens into the pulmonary artery, which supplies the impure blood to the lungs for purification. And left ventricle receives pure blood and opens into aorta, which supplies the pure blood to the whole body. There are 5 types of valves. First, tricuspid valve present at the opening of right auricle and right ventricle. Bicuspid valve, also called as mitral valve, present at the opening of right auricle and bicuspid valve present at the opening of left auricle and left ventricle. Semilunar valves present at the opening of aorta and pulmonary artery. Eustachian valve present at the opening of SVC. IVC, inferior vena cava, or post-caval vein, also called as post-caval vein. And the Thebasian valve present at the opening of coronary sinus. These are 5 types of valves. What are the functions of valves? To maintain blood flow in one direction during contraction and relaxation of the human heart. Okay? How many chambers are there? 4 chambers. What is the overall function of heart? Human heart, most important organ, which supplies pure blood to the body, collect impure blood from the body, and which impure blood supplied towards the lungs for purification. Okay? Yeah. Ahora